Hey guys, BMP Outdoors with another video. Today we are unboxing the MTB box Mystery Tackle Pro. So, I downgraded to a Pro because I have to pay for these, and it's kind of hard to pay for them when they're $40 a box. But I would suggest the Elite one, but we'll get right to it.
Wow. I want to do it!
Okay.
Joking, we can't have child abuse.
Okay, so.
Wait, where's the thingy? Hey, we got a word search.
Got the sticker. So.
Okay. Now you go.
After that, we got some swim baits, or like high-tech kind of things. We're gonna open these.
Oh, D, you already have some of those.
Bio spawn. I was needing some of these today.
Yeah.
Oh, so they are pretty nice. It's like a green pumpkin color, I think, but they're pretty nice quality.
I see something in the box I like. Can I get it out now? Why not?
Okay.
Now?
Photo.
So, next, we have this duck lure.
That's pretty sick.
I don't know how good this will work around here, but if we lived anywhere else, I know this would be juice.
Not really, but
It would.
it would.
You gotta
It's
watch.
pretty sick. We got some, I don't know what these are really. Game changer lures. They're just like a swim bait with a curl. So,
Those look pretty cool.
yeah, it's kind of
It's like a frog,
Is it
or like
raining?
a tadpole. Yes,
Yeah,
it is
but-
raining.
That's a pretty cool bait right there. These are all spawning baits for bass, because I just got the bass box. But these and these are gonna be
Perfect.
juicy.
The next thing we have is this Carl's The Hunch. Looks like a little crankbait. It dives 0 to 4 feet, apparently, is what it says.
So it just sits on the top and toe. And then we got some
KVD stuff.
the Senkos. It's just like, I don't know, like 4-inch Senkos.
Why?
So these are like, oh, look at that.
It looks like it's kind of like
They have like, kind of like scales on them, but
it's straight on the side.
that's pretty cool bait.
Yeah, it is.
So we got these. It's like a jig head with a spinner on it. I don't really.
It's very weird.
Yeah, but who knows? But this thing. This is the coolest thing in the box. Even though it probably won't work around here, but
This
who knows?
This is the coolest thing in the box.
Okay, just let's not mind him. And then let's go over. I'm gonna do something new. We're gonna go over the prices of the baits. So let's go to.
Wait, what
these.
happened to these? Oh, I found them.
Okay, so these are the BioSpawn Exo Swim. They were $5.99. So if you round that up, that is like
That's $6.
$6. Yeah. So and then we got the Weston Danny the Duck.
That's what they call it.
It's pretty cool. It was $12. So, and then Carl's Amazing Baits. This little kind of like rattle trap, you could call it. It was $7. And then what's next?
Catch
Underspin.
Outdoors.
So, yeah. And then this was, how much was this?
That it says $6.99.
So $7.
Then we've already done the BioSpawn Exo Spin. The Game Changer lures, these were $5.49 or $5.50.
How much were the KVD Senkos?
The KVD Senkos, the Strike King Ocho was $5.
And how much does the box cost per month?
It's $30, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's 30. So if you want good baits, definitely order the boxes. It doesn't really matter which one, but I would totally suggest the Elite one. But overall, there was some really good baits in here. We're gonna have to do a
MTB slam.
yeah, later on, and yeah.
I'm taking the sticker though. So, see you in the next one.